Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your carrier plan supports a persistent hotspot and that you have sufficient data. This avoids sudden cutoffs. Next, plug in or ensure battery stays above 20% and disable low-power modes so the system won't sleep. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for device discovery. On some phones, location must be on for tethering. Make sure airplane mode is off and that cellular data is actively working before you move to configuration. You now open the hotspot settings and set a unique SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so strangers cannot join. Default names invite connection attempts. Then select the appropriate band. Choose 4 GHz for range and compatibility, or 5 GHz for faster speeds and less interference. Also limit the number of allowed devices to preserve bandwidth. If you need consistent addressing for connected gear, set a static IP and DNS. Otherwise, rely on DHCP for simplicity. To keep the hotspot on, you must prevent the phone from sleeping. Keep it plugged in, disable aggressive battery optimization for the hotspot app, and avoid long lock screen timeouts. Once devices connect, monitor data usage and active client count so performance stays steady. If the hotspot drops, first restart the hotspot service, then toggle airplane mode to reset radios. Finally, update your OS and carrier settings. If disconnections persist, contact your carrier to check provision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.